Hello sellers, in this tutorial, we will walk you through the simple steps to connect multiple sales channels using MapMyChannel. Start by signing up with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you will land directly on the MapMyChannel dashboard. To connect your sales channel, enter your account name and location, then click on Next to save. After that process, provide your sales channel credentials to proceed, and then you will see some permissions, so read them carefully, the required permissions, and click submit to complete the connection. Next, choose the ERP you want to connect. Here we will connect NetSuite. You can select any ERP as your preferences. Fill in all the required information here, then click next and your credentials will be saved successfully. Finally, configure your ERP settings by clicking next, and that's it. Your multiple sales channels now successfully connected through MapMyChannel. This seamless setup helps you manage all your channels and operations from one unified platform that will save you time and reduce manual efforts. Thanks for watching.